This is the first time I've ever seen on YouTube somebody that's done this. So I watch this clip, and then um, after you watch it at the end, they ask you, they show this, do you want to see more videos? Seems not, do you want to see more videos on different things? Huh. It must be a YouTube thing. No, this is a movies.com watch hot trailers. And they've got this part branded. So how are they branding this? This is interesting. They've got this completely branded. Click to search only movie clips. Oh, that's really cool. Then there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down here, which when this changes, it goes to number 5. So I clicked on this one, director Tamara Davis. So when I clicked on that, it gives me this list of everything that she's done. Oh my gosh, this is really interesting how they do this. So I'm going to click the back button here. I'll go back to the end of the video. So now I'll go to comedy. Yep, and it gives me that. Huh. See, I gotta figure out how to do this.